The sky turned dark too fast. The wind, it didn't sound normal. It screamed. Down in the bunker, a small dog curled into the corner, shaking. Each thunderous odor above made the walls tremble. Dust fell from the ceiling. The door rattled. He didn't understand storms like this, only that something was very, very wrong.
He whimpered softly.
Waiting, listening, hoping. Somewhere in the chaos he remembered a voice. Gentle, familiar, safe.
Stay, I'll come back for you.
The world above roared one last time. Then, silence. The wind faded. The shaking stopped. Minutes passed. Then, footsteps. The door creaked open. Light poured in. The dog lifted his head, and for the first time since the storm began, his tail wagged.